Hey guys, this is Joey with Low and Slow Barbecue, and today we're going to be grilling out some pork chops, some sausage, and some boudin. Since we're here in Louisiana, it's going to be great, guys. Check it out. Today we're going to be cooking on old school charcoal, guys. It's going to be good. We're about to toss these pork chops, boudin, and sausage on this old smoky. Here we go. We got her loaded up. We're gonna get in here and check it out. Got it on this old traditional charcoaler. My dad built this probably 30 years ago, guys. It's gonna be awesome. Smoking some sausage, boudin, and pork chops. That's what's up, guys. Now we're cooking low and slow style, guys. 275, rolling some smoke, baby. It's gonna be good. We're using some apple wood chunks in there from Western Barbecue. It's gonna be awesome. So what we've done is we've pulled our pork chops. They're about 145, 150, and we've chunked them in this cooler, and we're gonna leave them in here for about an hour, and then we're gonna serve them up, guys. Here we have our sausage and our remaining pork chops. They're a little bit bigger, so they're taking a little bit longer. Look at that beautiful golden color on that sausage and that boudin, guys. Turn your smell-o-vision on because it is smelling good out here. Hey guys, this is the finished product. Come check this out. So we got some ribs here. We got some sausage. We got some boudin. We got some pork chops. We got some ribs already sliced up, guys. It's gonna be good. I'm glad you guys joined us today. If you like what you've seen, make sure you like and subscribe down below. Share it with your friends and comments. And remember, keep it low and slow, guys.